Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejala, Conrad ki sangma, lalet bania kendu Menteri Katanat Kampo Ying, Jong ka Sorkar Pedeng, Amit Shah, ban bu sau teli kimat jing Dawa khamat jong ya ka Sorkar India, kan hable khamkloi. Nalor kani Menteri Rangba Dawaru, badai ban pinsted no ban penrung ya ka Ktien Khasi bat ka Ktien Garo, ha ka kernet ka bapra, jong ka riti sensyar kari. Kabalai pat kadai ka jingdawa ban penteri kamno ya ka ILP hakani gejala bat ka basau kadai ba ka Sorkar Pedeng kan ainam ai buram ya ka surok ha New Delhi ha ka kerteng jong ukpa jong u badairu unong yalam nakani ka than chatai lamingi porno sangma bam kwai haduaru belai.
Today I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji. And 4 important agendas we discussed. First agenda was regarding a separate cadre for the state of Meghalaya. As you're aware, right now we have a joint cadre of Meghalaya Assam cadre, and no other state in the country have got a joint cadre. And therefore I have requested and urged the Honorable Home Minister that if the cadre of Assam and Meghalaya could also be segregated and Meghalaya could get its dedicated officials, it would be a great benefit to the state of Meghalaya. The second subject which I took up today in the meeting was regarding the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I once again reminded Honorable Home Minister that we had passed a resolution in this regard in the Assembly, and multiple times we have submitted a memorandum to him urging him to consider inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The third agenda was regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And as you're aware, that we have already passed a resolution in the House and multiple memorandums have been submitted. I reminded the Honorable Home Minister once again, especially keeping in mind the current situation along the international border and the different kind of situations unfolding in the neighboring country. And keeping all of these factors in mind, it was important to not only strengthen the presence of our forces along the border, creation of more infrastructure, but at the same time having a mechanism to check illegal immigration and infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. And given the current circumstances and the current laws that are there in the country, the only option that we have is to go for an ILP, and based on that we have once again urged the Honorable Home Minister to consider that. The fourth subject that we discussed was regarding naming of a road in the name of late P.A. Sangmaji in New Delhi, the capital of our country. I urged the Honorable Home Minister that late P.A. Sangmaji was a national figure, a person who always has raised his voice for the Northeast, for the tribals and for the minorities, and a tall figure in the Northeast and in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in the country at large. And therefore, it would be truly befitting to have a road in the capital named after late P.A. Sangma. Thank you.